Fatima Convent High School, myself Dipali. Chapter 8 Quadrilaterals, Class 9. We're going to solve the last question of exercise 8.1. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and BD is equal to BC. Show that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD and diagonals AC is equal to BD. This is what we are supposed to prove. Now first of all, let us draw a trapezium. Now this is our required trapezium. Now let us take help of construction work here, where we will be extending this side in such a way that these two lines are parallel. So I have A, B, C and D. Now here, after extending this, we get a parallelogram, and so now trapezium ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC, is with us. Now here we know that because AB is parallel to DC, AE is parallel to DC, also AD is parallel to CF. Therefore, AECD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AD is equal to CE, that is our first result. They are opposite sides of parallelogram. But AD is equal to BC, that is number 2, which is given to us. From 1 and 2, BC is equal to CF. Now, triangle BCF, we have BC is equal to CF. Therefore, angle CEB will be equal to angle CBE. Angles opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal sides. Also, angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180. This is result 4 and this is result 3. Now here, because they are linear pairs and angle A plus angle CEB is equal to 180, they are co-interior angles. From 4 and 5, we can say angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to angle A plus angle CEB. So angle ABC is equal to angle A from 3. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle A, that is number 6. That is our first result proved. Now second, AB is parallel to CD and AD is transversal. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. That is seventh result, which is co-interior angles. Similarly, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, that is number 8. From 7 and 8, angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle D. That is our second proof. Third one, triangle ABC and triangle BAD. AB is equal to BA, they are common, and BC is equal to AD, that is given. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, that is proved. Therefore, triangle ABC is equal to triangle BAD by SAS congruency. Now fourth result, triangle ABC is equal to triangle BAD by their congruent. By above result, it is already proved. Therefore, by CPCT, AC is equal to BD, that is by CPCT. Hence, it is proved. So, that is our question number 12. Thank you.